In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to replace and reset the filter in the ROPOT-Lite and ROPOT-Lite UV reverse osmosis drinking water systems. Please prepare one ROPOT-Lite and Lite UV replacement filter and the filter wrench provided with the original unit. The filter lifespan indicator has 4 bars that will decrease over the time and volume of filtration. Once depleted, the icon flashes to alert filter replacement. We recommend ordering the filter when 1 bar is left and replacing it once it reaches 0. Safety first. Before replacing the filter, ensure that the system is unplugged to cut off the power supply. Remove the filter housing cover. Use the filter wrench to twist the expired filter in the counterclockwise direction, then pull it out. Use the filter wrench again to push down and twist clockwise simultaneously to insert the new filter. Place back the filter housing cover. Plug in the power supply. Now the lifespan of the filter needs to be reset. Simultaneously long press the flush button and water making button for 5 seconds to enter filter reset mode. Please note that during the reset mode, only the flush button lights up and the control panel will unlock after 4 flushing cycles. Fill the water tank to the max line and place it back on the system. Touch the flush button to let the water automatically run through the system. Pour out any remaining water from the water tank and carafe once a flushing cycle ends. Repeat the flushing 4 times to rinse out the protective liquid and activated carbon particles in the new filter. Please note that the water is not drinkable during the flushing process. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the filter. Your ROPOT-Lite or ROPOT-Lite UV system is now ready to provide you with pure, healthy drinking water once again.